Yo, Mario. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Okay, let me share the link. Nice. Okay, blog posted, video sharing, everyone. Bam. Okay, so everything, let me get the music. Okay, and now, okay, actually I should move this here and do text file. Yeah, this guy. Just get the contents for her text file CPP. Okay, I'll accept this as is. I have no idea what the fuck is that. Target Xbox. Alrighty. Can I just do this now? Fuck. Man, so many functions. And still have these two to do. Okay, good. Let's just, oh yeah, I need to add text file. Add files to folder, spydtm. We should just build without problems. OS DevOps. Let's see if this builds without this guy. It doesn't. Oh, whoa. OS malloc 32. Oh, wow. There's a lot of crazy stuff. But why does it need OS DevOps, though? Seems a little excessive. INI parser, the only, okay. I should add this guy. OS DevOps.h, and it's just this stupid thing. Okay, 2 files to be added, which is great. So that's just, yeah, that's fine. 13 errors. So header files, add, and DevOps. Save workspace and export makefile. Yeah, okay. So this doesn't build yet. Okay, let's just take a look at this guy over here first, right? This looks quite goofy. Right here. OS mal... What? My god. This guy. That's cool. So read is open. So where is text file used? Come on. That's not good. World dynamics. Close. So file spec extract, file manager require file. This guy over here, and oh, it's right here. Excel. Oh. Ah, fuck! I understand the problem. So the problem is that I named this guy instead of this guy. X file open this guy. Open release file. Yeah, this looks good. And yeah, this looks like the proper thing. Yeah, this looks like it. Yep. Okay, that's good to know. Does anyone call this though? It seems, yeah. It seems to be called. Okay, which is good. But it still doesn't answer the question, where is OS malloc 32 defined? So let's try to look for it. OS malloc 32. It's in xballoc. What? Yeah, it just calls malloc. Should I really care about this? So it's just something stupid. I think it's not worth. So patch OS malloc 32 to malloc. What? OS free. Ah, right here. Yeah, I get nothing by. Are they used that much? I think they kind of are. So. Hmm. Maybe I can preserve that. Uh. Let's define these methods. I don't think I lose anything by doing that. Oh wow. That's crazy. So, and size and void OS 332. Yeah. Repeat. Okay. It's so good when you have proper place in dynamic memory. All right, but this is only the beginning. So then I can do sir what undeclared identifier. That's crazy. OS log. Fuck. Hallelujah. So file spec. Okay, the pro. Indeed. I don't know what the hell is this file spec, but I gotta figure that one out. File spec. Here it is. Yeah, I'll need to do file spec first, looks like. File spec. Oh, already exists. It's kind of sweet. This. Okay, this looks simple. Doesn't look overly complicated. $11 errors. Okay, so I need to add the folder file spec.h. Add this now add file spec.cpp. 11 errors. Undeclared identifier 72. Global H. File spec. How is this undefined though? Whatever, let's just do this. Not in the mood to argue with this shit. Error context. This guy. No such file or directory. Cannot add to pointers. What? Public static p-string. What? Text file. Stash get name. OS file at end of file. Set file pointer. What? There's a lot of weird stuff going on. What the fuck is going on? Linking. So I think the problem is this guy over here. Can I just, you know... It doesn't... Why it doesn't work, man? Why are all of these functions split like this? You know what? And if. Fucking heck, man. What? P-string this call. Text file. What's the... Get name. How did these guys? Okay. Okay, NeoVim was just bugging. But what? This is kind of weird. Rebuild all. Where is all of these problems coming from? Const string extract. What? without string access. I see no problem with this. And resource string get name, attend the file. Let's do the crazy thing, right? And do this. What the fuck? Why is it suddenly a problem? OS file get name. I'm so confused. So I'm trying to build this. It's constantly complaining. I guess one of the things that I included was bad. Okay. Ah, for fuck's sake, man. Wait, where was that? Text file. It's in text file. Oh shit. Okay, it should work. 25. Add and the file. If defined. Ah. Set FP. This guy. Alrighty. It should work now. Okay, let's add text file back. Okay. Okay, beautiful. That's actually... I can do the constructor, yeah, okay. My god, that shit scared the hell out of me. So let's go here. Toby. Let's actually open the object file. I was looking into object diff this weekend. Text file. This guy. What the fuck? Why is it considered an OS file? Oh yeah, there's an OS file IO. What? That explains it, kind of. So okay, I can do it. Text file. I don't know this. I don't know the size, or do I know the size? This 130. No idea. This scheisse. No problems. I think by removing that stash thing, a lot of the weird functions will go away. Actually, come on. Is picture. Yeah. Add in the file manager instance, OS file. I don't think it relies on stash. Okay, so we know that buff is a char pointer. So I'm assuming buff pause and buff AMT. I assume that these don't change. And then, oh, pushed back data. This one I don't know. It's kind of crazy. Can I get the proper definition? Edit type? Come on. Can I get the parse declaration? Ah, come on. Select format. Struct var. Yeah, whatever. Let's just add it here. Text file. So now I can name this text file. Okay, this looks the same thing, right? This buff. Pause. Okay, this looks fine. Nice. There's no OS file. Pushed backdate. Okay. Okay. Then ended. So fields. And if this builds, okay, this builds. Now I can add the validation that I want. So my assertions. Text file. Y. Validate. Text file. And here, field 10. Good. It looks fine. And right patch text file. Okay. Fine. So friend. Oh yeah. Yeah, that will be a problem. Okay, no problem. Validate. Ta-da. So it built successfully, which is really good to know. Let's actually put a stupid size here so that I can. And then and just run the validation. It should fail. My god, why is it taking so long? Yeah. Now it should just be instantaneous. Like bam. That's really good to know. So more importantly, yeah, let's start doing with object files. I think it's faster. And like it's already done. That's the beauty of it. Go away, text. Yeah, boy. Bam. Yeah, this looks textbook to C4. I don't know. That's bugged. Exactly. So let's add this to the patching. Patch push red. Sadly needs to be poly too. Text file. Text file. This guy. Done. 7. Nice. So git diff. Looks good. No, I'm dumb. I'm dumb. Forgot the most important part, right? The comments. Oh. Yeah, that's fine. Another. Now it will be much better. Go here and the workspace should be saved now. Okay. Yeah, I didn't save the workspace. What the freak? Actually, I can. Oh god. Can do it in a different way. Can do it this way. Doesn't really change anything. Okay. Let's Toby files. Okay, scared the hell out of me, this thing. Oh shit, it's going to do a clean rebuild. Okay. Let's look at the destructor, right? Right here. Destructor should be this guy. Text file is open. I should call file manager release file. Check this. Interesting. This doesn't mention. That's interesting. Okay. Do I have the file manager here? I don't. Fuck, I need to add another thing here. That's fine. So is open. Let's check. Text file is open. So text file. What the heck? This doesn't look like the correct thing. Text file, this guy. Text file close. Okay, that was in line. But there's no second argument. What? Am I tripping? Ah. What? No. Wrong. Oh my fucking god. Seriously? Seriously? Faut cliver man. File. This guy. Instance. Ah. Okay, now it makes more sense. File manager instance. Release file. And this looks a little dumb. Yeah, there should be no arguments for the is open. Yeah, this doesn't make any sense. Yeah, this should be a file manager. So this is open. Should probably just, yeah, call that thing over there. Apparently I need a file manager too. My god. Is it a big one? Uses AVL mem, AVL stuff. Oof. Okay, but there's an instance. So this is a singleton. I don't need to do it right now. So yeah, it's a little harder than I expected, but that's fine. What do I need? Is go to file manager. You and you. Heck. Okay, that file doesn't exist. So file manager. Okay, now it's time to add this guy. File manager.h. Done. File manager.cpp. And it should just work. Nice. So without any further ado, it just worked because nothing has changed. If I do file manager cpp, add the other file too. File manager, beautiful. Nice. So mustache. Okay. I need to fix a bunch of code. Vector, std. Okay. Entity. Now I need to link more stuff. Entity maker.h. Fucking heck. Mustache. Oh. She'll just build without much fuss. Okay, now I need entity maker.h for fuck's sake. Entity maker.h. Huh. It looks scary. Like, there's these super weird dependencies. That's what I find weird about this game, is that in some aspects it's really well, the project structure is quite good, and then it just drops off a cliff completely in terms of the quality. So the problem is that this list needs to be what std std, and you do a include list. Should just be the first thing to do. On line 38, that's the same. Oh, okay. std, also include map. Missing entity. For fuck's sake, man, it keeps going. I don't know what I'm typing. Entity flags. Yeah, let's assume that this is fine. Profiler.h. Something depends on profiler.h. Please don't be a fully fledged. It is a fully fledged class. Okay, doesn't look too crazy though. Marker. Oh my god, we are officially going into crazy land. So marker.h. Particle. Oh my god, this is the stupid thing about C++ and C too. It's very easy for the project, just everything to start depending on everything. And that's where std item.h. How the fuck are we in item.h, man? That file manager, man. Fucking file manager. Item.h. There you go. Beam.h. This is crazy, for fuck's sake. File manager depends on so many weird files. I have no idea. Okay, 49. Looks good. Beam signals.h. Please stop. Signals.h. Items. Oh my god. Ay, 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 ay. There will be more for sure. Ooh, item.h. Okay, we are going back, which is nice. The more that is parsed, the better for me. So, sky.h. It looks simple. That you see, this is what I don't like. You see, entity manager. This is now cyclical because I imported file manager, not entity manager. Look how many files I'm adding just to file finder.h. This is my favorite one. Just kidding. 12. That's true. Widget. It's importing widget, and I think that will be a problem. Yeah, exactly. Right. text card. Man, everything imports everything at a certain point. This is the craziness of matfuck. Matfuck.h. Matfuck.h. Color, depends on color, that's scary. Oh, so many errors. Widget. Bro, I cannot read this. This is... Bam. Illegal pure syntax must be one. Whatever that means. Widget entity and polytube. Wait. Let me go to file manager. File manager. Okay, front-end manager. Why does this depend on all of these weird guys, right? If I do this, will it build? Because I do believe that I don't need all of these stupid things. Okay. Vector. Ooh, it does build. My god, I'm so happy. So 646. What? Vector. But I'm there. Oh, it's in this line. It is a and def max. What? Mm-hmm. No. Man, I don't understand this. Why is min max not defined? Huh. I don't know which max is defined. Code guru. Please build. Oh my. So it depends on multi-stash. Macro redefinition in rect. Rect. Okay. If not def max. And if, okay, let's do it this way. Free start. Okay, that's really good to see. File manager. Subs. Teehee. To do. So I have 6 unresolved, which is open star. Where does right there? Another one. Thank God these are all close stash. I have no idea where those two come from. Get memory. That's fine. Mem align. Okay, to do stash. Where are those two functions used? Curve stash. Curve stash. I see, I see. So, mustache CPP. Bam. My God, such a big. Oh yeah, that's my bad. Let's just do C plus plus. Yeah, here. Bam. Other files includes everything. Bam. Semaphores. Semaphores. There's always one more file that I need to import. That's one thing that I'm learning. Okay, this looks fine. Nesting level is possible infinite recursion. Semaphores. Ah. What? This code will never compile, that's true. Fine. So this is how you fix this, right? Zip filter. That's exactly what I was thinking about. Another one. Wow. And if come on. So now I need stash support.h. Stash support. Ah, wait a moment, semaphores. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. I went to the CPP one. Oh god. That explains a lot. Raw. Yeah, okay. Now it makes more sense. Stash support. Zip filter H, yes. Now it makes more sense why it was doing that. Yeah. They were not doing stupid shit. So debug print. Okay, stash support. Let's check this one now. Stash support.h. Okay, this looks simple. Will this finally build? Mustache. Hmm. Seems like you're working on parts. I wish. Yeah, but that was the plan for today, but as usually with C++, you need to import a bunch of shit, and that's what's going on. Yeah. Like everything builds, which I'm happy with that. But, you know, there's this old saying in C++ that you want to import a banana and you end up importing the whole forest. That's what's going on. Isn't so okay, there's a lot of things that I export make file. Okay. Git status. Yeah. So git commit checkpoint. Okay, this doesn't build. So ngl printf. I know that I have that defined somewhere. Okay, 22 hours. Assert message. But yeah, I've went through these once. I can go through it more. Mustache. Get read size. It's a certain message. I have no idea. We do. That's fine. The thread. What? That's crazy. I don't know how this. Get read size. Zip filter. Okay, let's take a look at. Seems to be. Oh, do I have. Oh, yeah, I need to have the CPP too. Zip filter CPP. Yes. 21 errors. He's not a member of zip filter. What? Right here. Literally there, brother. I already saying that he's not a member of zip filter. Ah. Uh. Maybe. Define target PC? Maybe. Yeah, okay, now I need zlib. Fuck. I wanted to avoid using zlib for as long as possible. It's not that it's bad library or anything, but it's... What's the version? Wait, the game, is it even using zlib? Zlib. Version error. How can I check? Oh, it's version 1.1.3. That's good. Right? Oh no, that's zlib version error. Zlib version. What? What is... I think this is the zlib version. Okay. 1.1.3. What's the version? Yeah, they are using that same version. Oh, nice. Okay, so I think I'll just get this and dump that folder. Code, download zip. Zip. Yes. Oh, I didn't know that already. I downloaded it. So, oh yeah. There's a bug. Okay, so what am I gonna do is go here, extract this into documents or Toby, Spider-Man source. Okay, now does Zilly have any object files or no? I think it's only header only, no? No. Okay, that's fine. So let's add files to folder. No. New folder. Zlib. That's fine. Add files to folder. Now I do all the header, include files. This guy. Bam. Here. Now here, add files to folder. Yeah, I should have done this before. Zlib. Zlib number 1. Whatever, it doesn't really matter. 8 errors, perfect. Huh. That's fine. So now we have zlive. Export. Alrighty. We are getting closer to it, but still have a couple bugs to address. Nine 964. Paul Sema. This is about semaphores. To do semaphore. Not really concerned about this. Assert message. And this looks like it. Warning, that's fine. Missing before attributes. Deep filter 18. Okay, this guy did that, but without the align. Do it this way. I think the compiler will naturally align stuff. That's the thing that I'm not, super sure about. IO read. Function does not take 3 parameters. To do verify. Actually, I can just comment everything here and put like a big to do here. To do missing filter. Alrighty. 167. Wait, I still have something to do here. Oh yeah. So I can do to do filter. It's much easier to do it this way. Oh shit. It doesn't have a matching one. I don't know, I can't find it. Whatever. Filter. Done. So it depends on mem, pop, current hip. Mem. Mustache. Bam. Nice. Oh wait, no, not nice. It still depends on mem align. That's a lot of text. Buff. Yeah, I don't really give a shit. But then there's two that I need to do. Mem, pop. Oh my god, so many. Right here. So, pop current hip. Nice. I guess it will work fine. Yeah, it builds. Oh my god, that's okay. So save workspace, source files, add. Let's add. Let's add everything again, just to make sure I didn't forget anything. Bam. Done. To the here. Yeah, the problem is that this lib has both. Ah, shit. Has both header and source files. Thank God it just builds. No problem. Alrighty. Oh my god, this is such great news. Save workspace. Project. Okay, it builds. Crazy, crazy. So everything started because I was in text file. And is manager and this text file. Okay. Okay, let me drink some water. Yeah, now it makes more sense. Alrighty. Oh god, I'm happy with this. Text file. This guy. So no, the other guy. Where is this guy? Perfection. This guy. Yeah, okay, that got inlined. Yeah, both of them have close. So I need to do file manager now. So declare singleton patch file manager CPP. Okay, nothing should break. Nice. All of these silly things I can do later on. I don't give a shit. Wow, it's the biggest file. Okay, I was scrolling. Test file manager. Oh wow. No. New York, New York. Okay, I don't give a shit about you guys. Nice. Okay, my assertions. Okay, here and validate. Good. So there's file manager and yeah, okay. Git status. Git. Yeah, that's the problem. But we can do static file manager pointer inst void. Yeah, I'll need to do inline too. Good. And what's the file manager? Right here. So return cast. It looks fine. Beautiful. Okay. So this should just work. Let me think about this. So so here. What? Oh, hell no. Oh shit, he got in line there. Whatever. Entity load animation. No, not this. Wait, what? Okay, it's different. Yeah, but load animation. Okay, it looks like this one. My bad. Do, 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 do. Yeah, looks like it was in line. Excel is up, yeah. Alrighty. Seems like everything got in line except here. But this means that this is way better though. Everything looks private. She's strange. Hmm. Is it text file? Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. I can make this, but I wanted the proper names. No file found. Okay, this is currently stupid text file. What text? Okay. Okay, this one makes sense. Okay, text file close. Okay, let's do text file close. Uh, text file. Okay, now that explains why it's that. To do type def void fast call. So I pass this, pass 0 and file ID. It looks fine. No. Do 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 do. Uh. The fuck is going on? File ID T. Okay. Yeah. Include file manager.h. Let's go. File man. What? So many errors. 42. Oh yeah. Include singleton. H. Ta-da. Okay. Doesn't really matter what this is about. Okay. So I need to do the check this is open. It just calls this very strange method. Something queries file. Maybe I can check it by length. All context ready. Could be this one, but I doubt it. Clear file. Nah, this is too big. This is getting way too big. I want to figure out the name of this file, of this thing, right? Set FP. Okay, let's look for set FP. This guy. Stash. But Okay, file manager, set search paths. No. And this guy. Um, yeah, okay. Set search paths. And there's find that file. Seems that they waste no space. Kind of, kind of annoying, but okay. That's fine. Let's move this thing. Okay. So what I'll need to do, type def and sign char as call. Text file is open pointer. And it takes a text file. Text file pointer. Okay. Text file is open pointer. Text file is open pointer. Text file is open. No, my bad. So it takes a file manager, integer, and a file lidt. And all of these return unc, right? File manager inst 0 is field 0. Ta-da! So now this is open, this is close. Alrighty. This is insane to me. Not a big fan, but if it works, it works. Yeah. Remember this guy? Me too. It looks good. Okay. Doo-doo-doo. Okay. Let's try to actually make this run. Do I need to do? Okay. Let's actually go here and do creating text. Deleting. This will be easier to validate. So it's 96. Just starting this guy. I don't know why it takes so long to start, but do this. Yeah. Seems to be working fine. It looks like it's... Oh my god. It's loading so many text files. It seems to be working. Is I should have had a static counter or something goofy like that. I'm not doing something super crazy. Whoa, this guy is giving me a combo. Oh my god, he's punching me through the fucking wall. Fucking cheater. Okay. Nice. Yeah, it seems to be working fine. Okay. No crashes too when I exit. Yeah, no crashes. I should add no check-in to those things. Git diff. Okay, git status. No. Text file, close. Text file. Text file. Nice. Okay, what else do I need to do? Man, this text file turned out to be a bigger pain in the dick than I thought it would be. Let's just go to here. This guy. So, Anks. Anks. I'm cooked. No. No, lens. This guy. Bro. This guy. That's cool. Figuring this one out. No, this is wrong. So here's the clothes. Yeah, looks fine. There's the ring. And what is this though? It's never used. C-type mic. Hmm. Yeah. It really depends on file manager. God damn it. No. Maybe. Yeah, this looks like it. Yo. It looks like it. Whatever. So refill buff. So yeah. Embarrassing. Do it this way. So file manager inst read read file. Now I need the parameters. So this field 0. Buffer. This buff. Yeah. Looks good. So okay, so let's properly define this void. Much better. This guy. Oh, am I going stupid? Why is this not? Oh, I forgot the build, right? No, I did not. What? Is it because of the inline? I swear to God. Or it was just not included. Because it should be there. Oh my God, it's hooking. Okay. Let's just hook it this way because I'm genuinely confused why this is not being recognized. Oh, That's crazy. That's a lot of zeros. Refill buff. Okay. This should materialize it. What? Oh, I know why. I know why. Because of that if zero thing. Okay, it's because of this thing. Okay. File manager. Okay, file ID. Buff. This looks fine. It doesn't really matter. This is why C++ is such a bitch, man. Ta-da! So, yeah, this looks fine. Now I understand why it was kind of not working. And the NeoVim highlight is broken as hell. I guess they're doing some weird optimizations. Refill buff. Yeah. Yeah, I don't really care. Refill, BD0. So manager pointer, ID, unsigned sharp pointer, unsigned int. Okay, this looks good. Actually, let me do it slightly different. It might pay off to have buff as that, so let's do it this way. Doesn't change anything. I think I can just do this. Okay. We cast. Let's use proper casts. But C++ is stupid to this point, then right for build. And Explorer died. Man, Explorer with the latest Windows update, it just randomly restarts. Amazing engineering. So git commit. It is really amazing engineering. Microsoft team that's working on Explorer. I don't know, man. Stock price keeps going up though. Which I don't understand. Okay, I did a little bit of text file. I forgot why I was doing text file though. I don't think I need to do the right routines because they are, you know. But this picture looks like a good one to do. There. Spider-Man, text file. Oh, it's no. Oh, it's right here actually. It's this guy. This is the picture. No, what? Picture. It's not. What the fuck? Text file. That makes sense. Ah, it's this one. Okay. So now I can do the same thing. And if. Okay. Push back data bigger than 0. Huh. Interesting. So looks like it should be called pushback data. Why? Okay, undeclared identifier, right? Let's see if this works. But I need to run the validator. Okay, it passed. Very nice. Okay, this is what I like to see. Comdat, pick node duplicate. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this is amazing. There are references to it. I love this. I love this so much. So, picture. Yeah. And what else do I need? Okay, this guy goes here. That's pushed back data. Push back data, I mean. Push back data. Here. Nice. And this guy also get this. Yeah. Add and the file. This text file is open, yeah. It's reused here. It is definitely is open. No. What? No. I have no idea what this one is about. Alright, let's go back to... It just destroys a bunch of stuff. Bunch of strings. No idea what these do. Uh-huh. I don't need to do all of these things as far as I know. I don't know what part of text file. Text file. Yeah. I think so far this is done. I can leave it be as is. I don't really... Oh wait. Just remember. Okay, this is good. If... Can I do something else before I leave today? So... What else do I need? File manager, this is not needed, but I should definitely do this eventually. Can I go to the SLC manager? Maybe I can do that, which I think will be better use of my time. Yo, doesn't know what's an SLC, man. Wait. Here it is. Come on, man. Script library class. Okay. I'm less annoyed now. Okay. Script library class. So let's just take this, paste it here. So nice. So this should build. I didn't change anything too drastically. Okay. Public class list. Okay. So what I need to do. Good. And okay, it doesn't know how to export these guys because I didn't add script library class .cpp. Nice. There's a bunch of errors. I don't mind it. So vector. Okay, it's complaining about vector. std and 312. Oh, yeah, okay. Unresolved script library class. Oh. Yeah, okay, it's this guy. Okay, it ended here. So if 0 inst. Ah, perfect. So now I can do static and line. So see manager pointer inst return reinterrupt cast. So see manager pointer. This guy. It's like it's one of the first. It's this guy, right? Assume it's this guy for kind of funny. Oh wow, this is much bigger here. Yeah, makes sense. Alrighty, so let's do this, right? So see manager. Bam. Why is the size? Let's see. Okay. Shit, I forgot what I was going to do. So this guy is this. Okay. Not allowed on static. What? Modifiers. Oh yeah. Understand what you mean. Strudup serial in, serial in. Not bad. Should work. Strudups. To do. Okay. Fucking heck. Okay, let's go. This is good to see. Alrighty, so let me add validation. Put my assertions. Patch. Okay. Validate size. Let's see. Manager. That's bad. Oh, it worked. It is good to see. I don't even need to run the validator because I already know that. Alrighty-o. So, it's a singleton. SLC manager, SLC manager. Yes. Classes. Alrighty-o. So let's take a look at this over here. So open script library class. Yeah. Looks quite different here, right? There's all of these crafts. Let's create a new instance and check it out. Oh, it took a jiffy. Toby. This guy, yeah. My god, I have 1200 functions. When I look here, no, it's basically the same thing. Actually, this one is better. Much better. Okay. Oh, this is also present here. What the fuck, man? But I should label the stuff. So, what are the fields, though? Ah, it's right here. Class list. Validate classes. Makes sense. Is this the only thing? Maybe. This means that the size is 8. So 4, 4. Yeah, it's 8. Okay. So that's classes. Should I patch this yet or not? Let's see. So this looks dope. Okay. Gate status. Git commit SLC manager. SLC manager. Okay, good. Then you go here. Hmm. Can't understand what's going on. So, is it calling classes, class list, set? That setting to 0 kind of hints something. Ah, okay. There's this fancy thing that I'm missing. Fancy increment. Script strings deconstruct. They removed it. Why? Why do they did? Why are they so evil? Okay. Let me think about this. Yeah, right here. Oh, since script leaves CPP, okay. Ah, here it is. Come on, man. I need to whip out my calc. It's shorthand for calculator. And divide by 8. Oh, 64? It's a lot. Wait, what's the size of string x though? Think I'm being a little dumb. It's 8, okay. Okay. Okay, let's do binary fucking heck. Let's do binary search, right? 20. Or oh, it's 64, not 40. Yeah, okay. That looks fine. Okay, now this is fine. So this is the script. I don't know why it returns here. This is the name of it. Yeah, I'm kind of cooked here. Okay, let me actually check this guy. Alrighty. What should I do here? Okay. I should maybe do that, but I don't know if I really want to do it. That makes sense. It's an easy function, but it doesn't add much value. Script lib cpp. Uh, okay. Yo, wait, what? Why did I lose the function saying reset desktop? Okay, much better. My god, it scared the hell out of me. This guy. So undo script strings deconstruct period. Okay, not you, script library class library for fuck's sake. Alrighty, so classes that. Okay. Should I call delete then on that guy? Let me see this game, unload. Purge. That's the purge. Where is it? Okay, this guy. I don't know what the hell is happening there. That's sure. Oh, interesting. Class list iterator purge. It's not calling the destructor. Okay, let's focus on one thing at a time. Let's F7 this bitch. And now Toby, this guy. This guy, a team manager. This guy. To here. Yeah, they don't call clean here. That's interesting. I don't see any called with clean. It is the actual lock template. Alright, this looks fine. So I don't need to do anything. This is already done as is. So yeah. And there's something that I really don't understand. I have this neighbor, and every time they get home, they just close their door. Like, it looks like they are trying to make it open inwards. Just they are always come home super angry and just slam their fucking door. Yeah. Just a bunch of weirdos. That's what I gotta say. So purge this guy. Purge. Yeah. Why does this look so weird? These three. Now, okay. So I gotta. I forgot this. What the fuck is that? Oh, that's the V table. What? What? Yeah, okay, I was in the wrong place. My god, it's just looking so bizarre. And this guy, sayonara. Purge. No, purge. Yes, okay. Matching, and let's just add this here too. So this is really good. So git commit, but I can add more validation now. Changes. My bad here. Okay. So classes. Script library class. I have no idea what's that class less. Oh, that's how it's sorted. Oh. Bro, I had no idea what. Okay. I had no idea. Okay. So looks like no one calls this guy. Wait, class. I can see no invocations to here. Maybe it all got in line, but okay. Hopefully it doesn't crash, but okay, let's assume it doesn't crash. Validate, void, validate, script, library. Alrighty-o. Should work. Nice, nice. Okay, what I need to do is validate script library class 0. It should be fine. Should error out. Yeah, it error out. Okay, let's assume it's 24. I don't really care. So validate vtable. That. So purge. Okay, this one is interesting. So this guy purge according to this guy. This guy. What? It doesn't do anything. Oh well. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Must be the third. Yeah. Fail, that's fine. Alrighty-o. Yeah, okay. Today I got a little sidetracked, but it happened, so Not going to complain. Yeah. Git push. Okay. Yeah, it's funny that I added zlib to this. So script library class, maybe I should also, yeah, right there. Okay. So yeah, now I'm focusing on these two guys. This and this. That's what I wanted to say. So validation is successful. So go to IDBs and back them up. This guy I can close. Okay. Didn't forget to save anything. It's fine. Let's look at what work has been done today. I added a git hook, but it didn't run today. It's fine. Beam, yeah, this is kind of crazy. I need to address it sometime later. Yeah, actually, I didn't run the code today. I'm a little concerned. Okay, let's do it through the pipeline. Still running. Is it bugged? No, it just finished. Okay, so today I'm gonna show you how to run this thing. So you get the path, summary, you get Toby, this guy, you extract it here. Yes. So now when I start it, here, you can see the git hash there. So let's just skip all of this. Looks to be working just fine. I really like how I have the runtime version there. Shit, this guy is strong. Okay, this is done. Okay. Okay, all good. No crashes on exit 2. No exit. No crashes on exit. Since debugging stopped naturally. That's good to see. But yeah. That's good to know. What else? I have a lot on my plate. And yeah, that's it. Let me, oh yeah. Oh, whoa. Shit. Save. Okay. Don't save. Actually, let me rerun the IDB thing. It doesn't really matter if I want to back them up twice. Okay, that's it. Thanks everyone that came to this stream. Let me post the link to my blog. Here it is. I'd like to wish everyone a nice evening and see you on the next stream. Bye.